Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Shut the water and open the tap to relieve pressure, then wipe the threads clean. Once done, remove any old tape or sealant and use a wire brush if needed so the surface is bare. Make sure to hold the tape so it unrolls clockwise. That way it won't unravel when you screw the fitting in. Start the wrap at the first visible thread and press the tape down with your thumb to set it firmly into the creases. You now control the wrap. Pull the tape taut and lay it flat across the threads, overlapping each pass by about half its width to form a uniform seal. Apply 3 to 5 wraps for typical faucet threads, more for larger pipes. Once done, tear the tape cleanly and press the end into the thread roots so it won't unwind. Make sure not to cover the pipe shoulder or internal openings and avoid bulking the tape at the joint where the fitting seats. You finish by hand starting the tap or fitting to ensure threads align, then tighten with a wrench to the manufacturer's recommended torque. Don't over-tighten. Once installed, turn the water back on and check for leaks. If you see seepage, shut the water, disassemble, remove the tape, inspect for damaged threads, and rewrap using fresh tape. If threads are damaged or a tapered fitting is required, switch to an appropriate pipe dope and follow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.